Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are ready to see something kind of fun, different. Well, no, you've seen the fun buns, and I have a link to that video on how I do this look. I didn't do the braids, so that's a little different, but everything else, why do they look so, they look lopsided as fuck. Go ahead, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. Alright, so my eye is prepped and it's primed, and I'm gonna go in with my Modern Renaissance palette. I use this palette a lot because it is a favorite. So I'm gonna in this tutorial I'm using the Modern Renaissance and the Jaclyn Hill palette. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna take is I'm gonna take a tapered blending brush, and I'm just gonna go in with my favorite Buon Fresco. It's a favorite. I've already hit pan, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and I'm gonna put this right in here. I'm gonna put it in my crease and just go take it all the way to the front. And I'm gonna just continue to build it up as needed. So I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm gonna put that with the same brush, and I'm gonna just take it like right on. With my Morphe B8 brush, it's just like a flat, and I'm gonna go in with my Modern Renaissance palette again, and I'm gonna take Love Letter. Where's that? I'm gonna take a Love Letter right here, and I'm gonna put that right on the lid. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a little bit at the very ends, like that. That's a lot of fallout, but I'm going to take it and I'm just going to take it on the very top and like just press it and drag it down, because I'm going to go back in with that first color, the Buon Fresco, and I'm going to just kind of and I'm going to blend it out. So don't worry, we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna go in with the Luxie 231 small taper blending brush, and I'm gonna go back in with the Buon Fresco. Back in with Love Letter and Buon Fresco until I get the desired blend I want. I'm going to go back in with my first taper brush, and I'm going to take that first color we used from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go right back on top just because we lost a little bit of it, and I want to bring it back into the picture. And I'm taking a very, very light hand, like almost like if I'm barely even touching it. I'm going to go in with my Inglot number 77 eyeliner. You see how this wing is thicker than this wing? Well, I'll show you what you can do to fix that. Like a concealer brush, and what you do is you just take the very tip of it and you just kind of try to make it just thinner at the very tip of the wing. And you keep doing this till you get the desired look. This one's kind of more straight. This one's kind of more, it's all right. If your eyeliner is patchy, what you can do is you're gonna get a flat brush and take some black eyeshadow, any black eyeshadow that you like, and you can just press it on there to fill in any holes and any, if you just want to make your eyeliner a little more blacker, it sets it, and it's also a nice little touch. Techniques, a detailer brush, and I'm going to go back in with that same black, any black color that you have, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of like do like a mild, like very minimal, like smoky. I just want to get some type of depth in this look. Guys, I totally forgot a step. Oh my god. Okay, so I forgot a step like always because I'm so impatient. Alright, in my Jaclyn Hill palette, what I did was I took this color right here, and I put it in the center of my lid, and that's what I'm gonna do right now because I forgot. But it's okay, we're gonna just put it right in here. And I'm just using my finger. Don't worry about that, I will fix it. Alright, let's pop on some lashes and finish up the bottom of the eye. While the lashes are drying, what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl my lashes and put some mascara on. I'm going to do the center of my eye. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a Real Techniques, what kind of brush is this? It's just a shadow based brush, and what I'm doing is I'm putting down a nylon from MAC first. And I'm just going to pat it in there first. Just get it in there. And then I'm taking Anastasia's Moonchild in Pink Heart. I'm going to go in with that color right on top. And I'm going to go back and forth until I get the desired color I want. But this is so pretty. I just stabbed myself. Take my eye candy liquid for glitter, and I'm gonna just put a little bit in the cap. White, what I have in this eye right here, it's just like this white glitter. Bottom, I'm going to take a ColourPop in Swerve, and I'm just going to fill in my underline, or my waterline with the black. Now I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush, and it's a shadow brush, and it's just like a really small, like dome flat shadow brush. And I'm going to go in with Buon Fresco, and I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes and smoke it out. And I'm going to take a little bit of Love Letter as well, and I'm going to just put it right here. Benefit Bad Gal mascara, and I'm gonna coat my lower lashes. finish the rest of my makeup off camera just to save time, and I will see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. I just wanted to do something fun because it's Friday night and I just wanted to play with color. I thought maybe it's kind of like festival-like, kind of like a rave. I've never been to a rave, but I feel like I could go up in there looking like this and be just fine. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this look, and give it a thumbs up if you want to see more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.